Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Join me for this Qigong practice to wake up your body's natural healing power. Let's release tension, boost energy, and restore balance together. Now, let's get started. Stand, feet hip width, and bring up the happy bouncing. Move the knees up and down. Feel the happy energy moving through every bones and muscles. And begin to sway side to side. When you practice Qigong, it's very important to wear comfortable clothes. If you love the outfit I'm wearing, there's a link and discount code in the description below. Have the arm on the back, cross over the door of life. On the front, tapping over the front of the shoulder. Over here, this is where the long meridian originates. Here we are opening our lungs and boost our lung capacity. Over the back, knock across the door of life, a powerful master point on the governing channel of the body. It governs peak performances, hormone balance, and longevity. And come back to center. I'm going to cup over the left armpit. 4 sets of 9, 36 times. There are clusters of lymph nodes in the armpits. Cupping the armpit will help the lymphatic drainage. And the right side. The armpits are 2 of the 8 nests in Chinese medicine. Much like the river bend, they often hide unwanted accumulations. Cupping the 8 nests is a powerful self-care practice. Left elbow, the elbows are among them. This will boost the protective qi and improve the body's immune system. Other side. Extend the arms and then stack left arm over right. Flip your palms. Now the palms are facing each other. Interlace the fingers and roll the fist in. You might be only holding the fist out like this. It is okay. We're going to roll out 2 more times. Come in and out. And this time, lengthen the arms straight. But if the arm doesn't go straight, that is okay. Maybe lift the arms to the shoulder height. The spiral of the arm help to stimulate the heart and the lung meridians. Bring the arms up and stretch to the left. To the right. Left. And right. Come back to center, release the arms down, and shake your wrists, wrists and elbows. Breathe out through your mouth. Exhaling is important. It is our breath of relaxation. And we're going to use the right hand, make a ring to massage the wrists. Here we're covering very important acupuncture points. The spirit gate on the inside of the wrists, at the head of the ulna bone, and also the anti-aging point that's on the outer side of the wrist. One is over here. This is the anti-aging point, the Yang Lao Xue. This is the spirit gate, the Shen Men. And switch. Make a ring, stimulating the Shen Men point as well as the anti-aging point, the Yang Lao Xue, the Yang Lao point. Finish massaging the wrists. And now, right arm over the left, flip the palms and turn the fist in, roll it out. You can hold it here, roll it in, extend it, and back in again. Roll towards the chest. And this time we'll try to keep the arm straighter, or as straight as you can. If the arms don't go as straight, no worries. This can be difficult, but this rotation through the arms is very good in stimulating the heart and the long meridians. And roll the fist back, out, and up towards the sky. Stretch to the left and to the right. Try to bring your arms behind your ears, side to side. Back to center, release the arms down. Once again, shake the wrists. Shake away tension. Shake away blockages. Release the hands down. For spinal cord breathing, bring the arms up. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round your spine. Bring the elbows closer. Inhale, up, open the chest. Breathe in. And breathe out, round into it. Send the hips back slightly. Bring the elbows closer. We're stimulating the two main energy channels in the body. The conception channel along the front, the yin channel, nourishing our yin energy, and the governing channel along the spine, the yang channel. When you round this time, wiggle the hips side to side. Rise up, breath in, and breath out. Last two. And last one. Rise up, release the arms to the sides, shrug the shoulders. Interlace your fingers. We're going to knock on the Tanzhong, the sea of qi in the chest, right at the intercostal corner. This is a powerful point on the conception channel. Once stimulated, it opens the heart, clears the lungs, it helps to release the stuck emotions. The important lymph organ, the thymus, sits right behind this point. The thymus produces T cell, very important in helping the body to fight infections. And now, extend the arms forward, arms up, breathe in, and breathe out, stretch to the side, and other side. Release the arms down, and make a loose fist. I'm going to drum next to the rib here. Here we're working on the stomach meridian. Now towards the side of the rib cage, here's a very important meridian point, the Zhangmen, a master point on the liver meridian. So we know along the center, along the rib cage to the side, now lower a little down, slightly lower, drum over the abdomen. And here, arms up, hands to touch. Bring your hands behind to your neck and massage the neck. Fingers trace along the conception channel, hands to the side. Now massage over your kidneys and the glutes. Trace along the back line of the body, the heels, the outside of the feet, toes, come in from the inside of the feet and along the inside of the legs. Massage the abdominal for 9 times. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. Rounding the spine as you're coming back up, feeling the stretch across the back of the neck. Massage the abdominal for 9 times. Now feet slightly wider, cross the arms in front of your legs and rise up and float the arms down. This is to boost the protective qi, to boost our immune system. Now make a loose fist, drum over your kidneys. And now we're going to drum the hip crease. The hip creases are also among the 8 nests. You make a blade hand or loose fist. Either way is okay. This also helps release trapped qi and blood in the liver and kidney meridians. And now the hip points, the 环跳 points. When this point is stimulated, as the name can be translated as jumping round or jumping circles. Very powerful point for the health of the lower body, relieve sciatica, hip or leg pain. And now behind the knees. As an ancient saying in TCM goes, when there's a pernicious evil in the kidneys, its qi hides behind the knees. And rise up to the Taoist Uji posture. Feet are hip width, knees are slightly bent, shoulders are relaxed, the tip of the tongue on the roof of your mouth. Gently gaze at the tip of your nose. Standing tall between heaven and earth, feel yourself absorbing the universal healing energy. Let it settle deep into your body, into every cell, every breath. Friends, thank you for practicing with me. Keep nurturing your body's healing wisdom. Let me know how it went for you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.